welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It is a high-speed hair dryer. I got the color gray. They have gray and black, and that tells you just a little bit about it. So let's go ahead and get right into this. And then this is what the blow dryer itself looks like. You do have these little magnetic nozzles right here, which are awesome. That's what I always use. It does also come with a wall mount, which is really nice. And then it comes with a user manual and the little sticky thing that you'd put on the back of the wall mount to mount it in your cabinet, on your wall, just depending where exactly you want to put this. Okay, I have it plugged in. And now let's go ahead and go over the functions. So this button right here is the airflow. This is temperature. You have your on and off. Airflow indicator is right here. This is your main nozzle. Temperature indicator is in the inside. So I'm guessing when you're turning on, you're going to be able to see all that. The air intake is down here, so you'll actually clean this area off down there when it comes time, which it's easy to remove, as you can see. And that's the detachable filter. So let's go ahead and start blow drying my hair because it's a little wet, so I want to finish blow drying it. So I'm going to do high airflow and high heat. Let's see how many levels. So as you can see, it changes color. So that's cold. That's hot. So it has three different three different temperatures. So I'm going to do hot, and then it should have three different airflows. So let me go ahead and see. Yeah, so it has three different airflows, and it's also indicated by colors. So I'm keeping both on red because that's where I'm going to get the most bang for my buck. So let's go ahead and start blow drying my hair. I'm actually going to do it in sections. And I'm going to apply this. As you can see, it is magnetic. So that's pretty awesome. If you're just wanting to like kind of roughly dry your hair, you can just use it without it. Just like that. I like to use this right here. Yeah, in the temperature indicator, level 1 is green, level 2 is blue, and level 3 is red. And it's the same for both heat and airflow. So let me go ahead and start clipping my hair up and start blow drying it in sections, and then I'll show you what my hair looks like once it's done. It looks like completely dry. You can see it did give me a lot of volume, and I love the volume. I just need to add a little bit of hair oil because my hair is damaged. I love how high the heat is on this and the airflow. I think that it's perfect, especially if you have thicker hair. You're really gonna like this. I have thin hair, but I have a lot of it. So it actually takes me a little bit to dry, but this thing worked amazing. I absolutely love it. Now you do want to make sure that you do not block the airflow down here. Like, don't put your hand down there because that is where the air intake is. You want to make sure you hold it like this. So I'm going to go over the product overview on this. It says high-speed brushless motor. Our sonic hair dryer uses 110,000 RPMs, high speed, brushless motor. It generates strong airflow to dry hair instantly. All temperature control system. This hair dryer is a built-in intelligent temperature control system which can accurately control the airflow temperature to prevent overheating and damage to the hair. Okay, so the negative ion hair care technology, the built-in negative ion generator can generate negative ions to neutralize the positive charge in the hair, reduce static and avoid frizz. So it's also it's noise control, so it's not a super loud blow dryer. But yes, love this. We'll definitely continue to use it. I give it a 10 out of 10. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.